Hi, I'm Thomas with the Service Manager for Butler Toyota Jacksonville. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a key fob battery in this key. First thing we need to do is press this down here. You'll see that the insert right here, we can put the key into this slot. We can twist, the key comes apart. You have a motherboard here, which is the brains of the key. Very carefully take this portion out. When we take this out, we have the key battery there. We can remove the key battery. Plus side is up. So we take the new key battery, insert the key battery, snap it into place. Take the motherboard, put it back into position. It's in spot there. Take our keys, put it back, snap it together, reinsert the key, and now you change the key fob battery for your car.